You never know until you try something how it really connects with you.
I feel like being young and going into the workforce, you're kind of scared.
I just thought this would be a great way to, connect with my inner childhood.
Most individuals today are 3 generations removed from the farm.
Yeah, I didn't know anything about farms. I didn't know what we were going to be doing. I just know it was a new experience, so I wanted to try.
I didn't know how the corn looks like. I didn't even know it will grow like even taller than me.
If we expose kids to agriculture and science, we know they're going to get excited about it.
I heard about the program through an internship program I did in high school.
I feel like this program really breaks certain barriers which allow underrepresented communities to have opportunities like this.
If you work over here, you will be feeding the generation. You'll be feeding the future. So that is one thing that caught my head.
When we bring together individuals like Demetrius who have connections to our community, we can solve really big, challenging problems and really lift up our community.
The people here are nice. I actually missed working with them, so I came back also for the people.
It's been great. I have really amazing coworkers and leads. It means a lot to hear a thank you, even though it is my job. It's that positive reinforcement that kind of helps me want to keep going.
He took the time for me, he get to know what the stuff is, and he explained it to me like a person. That was something that made me think, I really want to continue with these people.
The neat thing about agriculture is that while innovation is moving at record pace, it's still about the relationship.
It's rewarding to see the process that Bayer goes through every day to feed a growing population. And it's rewarding to be a part of that because I can walk into a store now and I feel like I'm a part of something.
I learned so much, not just about agriculture, about plant science, but about myself.
Having this experience can definitely help me take on like other opportunities if I want to, because now I have the field work experience.
I also gain new perspective on how to work with different people.
I've never sweat this much before until I started working here.
If you're not sure what you want to do with the outdoors, like I feel like you should always try things out.
You're gonna have to get dirty with the root dig.
I can very clearly say it has directed my path to the crop science, because when I came here, I not only realized how fun this is, but also the data that we have, it's incredible.
It gives me information that I never would have thought or imagined. And so I'm forever grateful for the opportunity.
Definitely, if you like being outside, it's the perfect job.
I came into this with no information on it, so now I'm trying to decide what my future is.
The vision was, how do we get kids exposed to agriculture, exposed to science? Because we knew when we did that they saw this as an opportunity for their career. And if they can see this as an opportunity for their career, they can change the outcome for their family. And that was really what we were focused on.